Dear students, welcome back to our online classes. Here your Priyanka Miss is again with you. As I promised you on the earlier class that yes, we will have another question pattern concerning noun. So, as per my promise, so today we will have again a class on noun. But today we will practice a different question pattern. Here, don't be worried about that how the questions gonna be. Actually, it is very simple, and I know you can make it out. Okay, babies. So here in a box you can see some of the words are given. These are basically clues and these all are nouns. Okay, these all are nouns. Now go through the direction. What it is? Complete the sentences using nouns from above. Complete the sentences using nouns from above. That means here 1 to 5 there are 5 sentences in total and the sentences are not complete. Okay, so these are somewhat incomplete sentences, but you have to complete these sentences by putting the nouns from that box. Okay, in the very upper portion you can see a box, and in the box there are some of the nouns, so you have to choose the correct noun from there and you need to put the noun in the gaps. Okay, in the gaps there in the incomplete sentence to make it complete. Okay babies, so let's check it out. So before starting the class I would like to ask you to have your exercise book and your pencil eraser with you so that you can practice this kind of question paper with me right now. Okay babies, so you don't need to invest much time after it. So here the number one, let us see the clues first. Okay, here the clues in the boxes are blue means blue is a name of color. Friend means our companion or our classmate or our partner. Then mother, mother, mother means our moms, our mummies. Okay, mother, I know we all love our mothers. So girl, girl, girl means baby girl, or the classmates, they are female, your female classmates, or girl means the females. Now window, window, window means window, a portion of a house, see through which we can have air. Okay, so now here the question is complete the sentences. That means finish the sentences or make the sentences complete using, that means putting nouns from above. Nouns, that means the names that are given in the box from above. That means the box that is given on the very upper portion. Okay, so moving with the number one. Here number one is I love my desk. I love my desk. Here you can see a gap just after my. So I love my till then what can you understand? What should be the right one here? Blue? I love my blue? No, it can never be. I love my friend? Yes, it can be, but let us see some more options. Mother? Mother, that means our moms. Do we love our moms? Yes. So I love my whom? Whom do you love most? I love my mother. Okay, so it's mother. So should we put it here? Yes, of course. So we have put mother, the option mother, in the very first sentence. So to say I love my mother. So the next one is Khati Joy. Khati Joy is my desk. Okay, so reading the incomplete portion, that means Khati Joy is my guest, that means Khati Joy is your someone, or that means you share a special bond with him. So what can it be? Blue, Khati Joy is my blue? No, it can never be. And mother, he can't be a mother. So girl, of course Khati Joy is a boy, so he can't be a girl, so we can't put the option girl here also. Window is a wooden thing, so and Khati Joy is a person, so I can't put here window. So what's the left one? It's friend. Khati Joy is my friend. Remember the boy from your class, Khati Joy, and he is your friend, isn't he? Yes. So Khati Joy is my what? What should we put here? Blue, mother, girl, window, No, none of this. Rather, we should put here friend, friend. So please put the option here, friend. So here we got our correct answer, friend. Khatijoy is my friend. So the next one is close, cloac, close, close the dash. So close the dash, that means you are being asked to shut something. Okay, so that means it can't be a man or it can't be a person. Okay, so let us see, close the blue. No, close the friend. So who can close a person? A person can be a thing. No, a mother. No, girl. Still not. So close the what? Close the window. Is it right? Yes, of course it's right. Close the window. So what should we put here right now as our correct answer? We should put close the window, the very last option in the box. So we are going to put here window. So our next option is number 4, Snigdha is a dash. So Snigdha, Snigdha. It's Snigdha. I mean, but for I hope you can have problem in pronunciation. Okay, it's Snigdha actually, Snigdha, Snigdha. So can you read it out? So Snigdha, we all know Snigdha, she is a girl from our class. So Snigdha Borua, she is a girl, we all know her. So Snigdha is a dash. Snigdha, so with this line, what would be the correct noun? Blue. Snigdha is a blue. Can anyone's color be blue? It can be possible. So friend, Snigdha is a friend. Yeah, she is a friend, but friend is already been done. We have already put friend in the number 2, so it can't be here. So Snigdha is a mother. Maybe someone's mother's name can be Snigdha, but mother is already, we have put mother in the very first line, so mother can't be here at any cost. Now the rest one is girl. So Snigdha is a girl. Is she a girl? Yes, Snigdha is the name of a girl. She is not a boy. So that's why we can put here girl, GIRL, girl. Should we put it? Yes, Snigdha is a girl. So please note it down right now and go through the lines once again. I hope you are also noting down with me. Okay, baby. So we are going to put here girl. Snigdha is a what? She is a girl or boy? She is a girl. As we are having girl as the option here. So we should put, undoubtedly we can put here the girl as our correct answer. Okay, babies. So our last one is the sky is dash. The sky is dash. So let us. So do you know what's the color of sky? Of course, after the sky here, undoubtedly we should put the name of color. That means we should indicate the color of the sky. Okay. So what should we put here? The sky is friend? No. The sky is mother? No. The sky is girl? Can a girl's name be sky? No. The sky is window? It can never be. Rather, it looks like something very much funnier. So here we have already mentioned mother in the number 1, then friend in number 2, then we have put window for the line number 3, and we also put girl for the line number 4. So here the last one, here the another one is the sky is dash. That means the sky is what? The sky is, I repeat, the sky is friend? No. The sky is mother? Can't be. The sky is girl? It's too much weird. The sky is window? It's very much odd. So if we can't put here any of the options from the box, then what would be the correct one? Do you know what's the color of sky? Basically, how does it look like? We all know that over our head, we can see a beautiful sky, and of course it is a blue colored sky. So can we write here blue? Can we put the option blue? Can we put blue as our correct noun or correct answer? Of course. Do you agree with it? Do you agree? Yes, I hope you also agree with me, as blue is the color of a sky. So undoubtedly, without any hesitation and surely without any delay, we can put here BLUE, that is blue. What should we put here? We should put here blue, BLUE. Okay, let us make it out. I would also ask you to also note the answers down right now, so that you will find it easier when you will again go through the exercises. Okay babies, so have your pencil at your hand and go with the option blue. Okay, so please note the lines down. The sky is what? The sky is blue. The sky is blue or red? No, it can be red, as we are having the option here blue as the color for sky, and we all know that it's a very common scenario and it's a very common thing that blue is the color of sky. Okay, so to say we are going to put blue. So here we are done with our last option, and that is blue. So here basically in this question pattern, the main thing is to remember that in a box, if you are getting some of the answers or some of the words or some of the nouns specifically, and if you are being asked that complete the sentences using these words from the box, that means you will have fill in the gaps type questions. Okay, in every gap you need to put a specific word, and if it is a noun, of course you should put the specific noun. Okay, so go through the lines, every line, so that you can sense what should be the correct noun. So seeing the options, you have to sense the correct noun, and you should identify the correct noun out of the box, and you should put the correct noun in its right place. Okay babies, so let us go through from the very first to last. I love my desk. Here I love my mother. Khadija is my friend. Close the window. Snigdha is a girl and the sky is blue. So that's all for today. Hope you already noted it down. We will meet very soon on the next class. Till then, stay well and take care.